we tarry with one another in the circle, the sooner we get to be happy. But when we're still in that hurry, you be just as confused. But guess what ends up happening? A circle does what? Come on, it continues. When people say, oh, I don't do that no more because I done come 360 degrees. You came back to the same point you were at then. Okay? You don't want to come 360 degrees when you talk about change. You want to go 180 degrees because you want to go away from where you were. 360 degrees, you want to come back there. If you're coming back to bring something back and say, look, this is what else we got to manifest from this point forward. And I have this to contribute into the circle. So whatever energy I put out in that circle, trust me, it do what to it? It comes back. So that is the power we do connecting. That is how we prepare ourselves to change the mindset of thinking that being a naturally happy African person is not a good thing. Well, for all the church people, I know you would say the devil is a liar. Okay? The truth of the matter is that people simply wanted you to believe that anything about you that was naturally there was not a good thing. Because then if they could change your mind to believe it, you would then be a slave. But here, Dr. King quoted someone else, and he said, power properly understood is the ability to achieve purpose. So we talk about an event being powerful, power-filled. It needs to be an event that is purposeful after you depart. So for my part, was to bring you this description of happy, this description of natural, and to let you know that Gullah means people blessed by God. As you see on our flag, it says, we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And we don't say it because we think we are the only ones by which anointing falls on the earth or falls upon us. We know that it is our charge as black gold, as people who knew their richness, that maintain their richness, that continue their culture. Even when people have been saying we've been cracking anything like that, until we would throw away everything that we've been up. We knew that we were created to be just what we are. And being on our islands, in our nation, in our region, we want the land itself to continue to be anointed enough that even if you never get to fly all the way back to the continent, you can get to these islands and be touched by that energy as well. And we always pray that God will fill us so that wherever we go, we can bring that energy. And that's what we came to do, is to bring that anointing up the river, up the Atlantic, and shut them up this show. That's why that hurricane had to come through here before we got here. Cleanse the way to push it out, to take out what didn't need to be here. So when we came, we left anointing over this city and over all of you, so that the manifestation of purpose in your life will be fulfilled after today. So that the next time you see that brother, you'll say, that's that brother that Queen carried for a little while. What's your name, brother? Brother Shoe? Oh, that's easy to remember, man. You put down your foot every day. You got soul, you got soul, you got shoe. That's right. I like that. So definitely. That's the whole thing. It's about being happy and being natural. You see? I appreciate Brother Manifest. We've been working together since the first one. And so I'm glad, like I told them, this is the 7th. So this is that point of completion. So we've come all the way to it. And I definitely appreciate all of y'all. And with peace and blessings upon each and every one of you. And may definitely, here we go. Let's do it together, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Having assessed perfect purpose. Yeah. Y'all was, yeah. Y'all got the video. All right. There we go. Now I got it. Never avoid truth, understood reasoning, and love. Much love to you.
Yeah. I say my mic sounds nice. I say my mic sounds nice. Yeah. I want. I went 2, 1, 2, yeah. I said my mic sounds nice. I said my mic sounds nice. I want a 2, yeah. High sound. Yeah, my mic sounds nice. I hear my mic sound. Nice.